How to view your TikTok stories. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your TikTok stories. Before we head on to the TikTok app itself, let's first visit the App Store or your Play Store and search for TikTok from the search bar. Just click on TikTok. Now, if that says open over here, that means that your TikTok is currently up to date. However, if that shows an update button, just tap on that so you will be updating your TikTok app and you will have the latest features, especially this feature of being able to post a story and being able to view your own TikTok stories. Once you have made sure that your TikTok is currently up to date, just head on and open TikTok over here. And from your For You page, you can actually have 3 ways to view your TikTok stories. So I'm going to show you those 3 ways. So from your For You page, you can click on this inbox icon over here beside the plus icon. And from here, you can actually see this option over here that says your story with your profile icon. So to view it, just simply click on that and you can immediately tap on it to pause a story, or you can also wait for it to be loaded to see the next story you have uploaded. So I'm just going to click on exit, and the next way is to go to the profile page. So to do that, just click on this profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, and from here you can also click on your profile icon once again to view your TikTok stories. So I'm just going to go back again, and the last way is from your profile page still. So just click on the stories option over here from your TikTok feed, and you can also view your TikTok stories from here. So that is how you can basically view your TikTok story. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.